Creating a brochure in Canva using your phone is very easy. It's not challenging. You can do it in just few steps. This video will teach you how. First, if you have not already, then download the Canva app from the Google Play Store. If you are on the Apple side, just download it from the App Store. Now open the app or either create a new account or log in your existing one. I don't know what you have right now. Now you have to click on tab plus or create a design button. Now in the search bar you have to type brochure to see available templates. Now browse to the brochure templates, choose a design that suits your need by tapping on it. Now tap on any text box and edit the content you want to change. You can change the font size, color, alignments using toolbar at the bottom. You can use the plus icon to select images either from your own photos or you can choose from Canva's library. You can tap on background area to choose a different background or pattern if you want to. You can also move and resize elements by dragging and tapping on them. Use the toolbar to fine tune their appearance. Now tap on the preview button to see how your brochure looks like. Once you're satisfied with your design, tap on download icon to save your brochure to your device. You can share it directly to social media too. Before I end the video, you can take some tips for designing a brochure. You can keep it simple, use high quality images, consistent branding. If brochure is for business, use brand colors and fonts for consistency. Check for errors. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a professional looking brochure using Canva on your phone. I'll see you in the next one.